Hey everyone, as the winter chill sets in, the last thing you want is a burst pipe causing chaos. Today I've got 10 genius hacks to help you prevent bursting pipes and keep your home cozy and dry. Let's dive in. Give your pipes a warm hug. Insulating them with foam sleeves is an easy and affordable way to protect them from freezing temperatures. Keep a steady drip during extremely cold nights. This prevents water from standing still in the pipes, reducing the risk of freezing. Let your pipes breathe. Opening cabinet doors under sinks allows warm air to circulate, preventing cold spots that can lead to pipe bursts. Think of it as a cozy blanket for your pipes. Heat tape adds an extra layer of warmth, especially in areas prone to freezing. Inspect your home for any air leaks. Seal gaps and cracks to prevent cold air from sneaking in and causing trouble. Even if you're away, don't turn the heat off completely. Maintaining a consistent temperature helps prevent pipes from freezing. Winterize your outdoor faucets by disconnecting hoses and draining any remaining water. This simple step can save you from a plumbing disaster. Identify areas where pipes are more exposed to the cold, like crawl spaces or attics. Adding extra insulation can make a significant difference. If you're dealing with a particularly cold area, strategically placing a space heater near vulnerable pipes can provide an extra layer of warmth. Don't hesitate to call a professional if you're unsure or if you suspect a problem. It's better to be safe than sorry. There you have it, folks. 10 savvy ways to prevent bursting pipes and make it through winter unscathed. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more life-saving hacks, and share it with your friends. Stay warm and stay smart. Until next time, this is DeAndre, signing off.